Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and user-friendly Excel solutions. If you've ever needed to convert street addresses to latitude and longitude coordinates in batches, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that will transform the way you handle address data in Excel. Our Excel Geocoder lets you generate accurate latitude and longitude coordinates from any address right inside Microsoft Excel. That's right, no complicated software, no installations, and no coding required. Whether you're working with a small batch of 10 addresses or scaling up to 10,000, this tool does the job quickly and effortlessly. It connects directly to the Google Maps API, ensuring high precision every time you convert a street address to coordinates. Using it is simple. Just paste your list of street addresses into the designated column, click the Generate button, and the tool will automatically fetch the latitude, longitude, and even altitude directly from Google Maps. The data is returned in clean, organized columns, making it perfect for mapping, integration with other software, or detailed spatial analysis. And yes, it supports global address formats, not just US-based ones. We've been building Excel-based tools for over 16 years and have helped over 7,500 customers optimize the processes. With more than 140 five-star reviews on Google, we're proud to say our users consistently describe our tools as fast, seamless, and backed by excellent customer service. Our mission is to help you save time and reduce manual errors when working with geographic data. And this Excel Geocoder does just that. If you're ready to simplify how you convert street addresses to lat long coordinates, download the Excel Geocoder using the link in the description. And if you have any questions, need help with setup, or want a custom solution, just give us a call or send an email. We're here and happy to help. Yes, we actually answer the phone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more time-saving Excel tools. See you next time, and happy converting.